In the fast-paced world of semiconductor manufacturing, sustainability is key. But how can the industry power its operations while reducing carbon footprint? One solution lies in microgrids. Microgrids allow semiconductor companies to integrate renewable energy sources like solar panels on their rooftops. They also help manage electric vehicle charging stations for both the fleet and employees, ensuring a greener commute to work. By balancing energy supply and demand, microgrids optimize energy usage and reduce reliance on non-renewable sources, making the semiconductor industry more sustainable than ever before. Moreover, the peak shaving function of microgrids further enhances the cost position by reducing consumption during times of peak demand. Microgrids powering sustainability in the semiconductor industry.